Hello dear students, how are you? I hope and pray that every one of you is fine and healthy. My name is Emanuel Anthony and I am serving as lecturer English at Government Postgraduate College Khanewal. In this video lesson, I welcome Intermediate Part 2 students. I will be teaching you English. Let us briefly discuss course outline given by Punjab Textbook Board for Intermediate Part 2 English classes. First, we have Book 2. This Book 2 has two parts. Part 1. In Part 1, we have 10 essays. The 10 essays included in Book 2 Part 1 are: number 1, the diet sun; number 2, using the scientific method; 3, why boys fail in college; 4, end of term; 5, on destroying books; 6, the man who was a hospital; 7, my financial career; 8, China's way to progress; 9, hunger and population explosion; 10, the jewel of the world. Book 2, Part 2 has 5 essays. Actually, Book 2, Part 1 and Part 2 both make one book. 5 essays are given at the end of these 10 essays. The names of these 5 essays are: First Year at Harrow, Hitchhiking Across the Sahara, Sir Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur, Mustafa Kemal, and the last lesson is Mustafa Kemal here. Then, second year course also includes a novel. The name of the novel is Goodbye, Mr. Chips. This novel is written by James Hilton. And in this video class, dear Intermediate Part 2 students, you will be studying this novel, Goodbye, Mr. Chips, with me. Let us discuss paper pattern of second year English. We will not discuss the whole paper or the structure of the English paper. We will only see what is the contribution of the novel Goodbye, Mr. Chips in the paper, or we can also say what are the questions, the various questions asked about this novel in English paper. First of all, let us discuss objective section. In the objective section, a 4-mark question is given. This question is about the synonyms of Goodbye, Mr. Chips. Question number 1, C section, requires you to take the right choice of the following underlined words from Goodbye, Mr. Chips. Here, 4 means that this question, section C, is for 4 marks, and there will be 4 statements with 4 underlined words. I have given you an example. For example, statement number 1 says, Chip's voice had a good deal of sprightliness in it. The word sprightliness is underlined here, and the examiner requires you to tell the closest the word from here, from option B, from option A, C or D. The examiner wants you to provide a word which is closest in meaning to sprightliness. Let us look at the options given here. Number 1 or number A is liveliness, B is laziness, C slowness, and D is feebleness. I have ticked option A because the word liveliness is closest in meaning to the word underlined here, sprightliness. Let us discuss now the subjective section of English paper for intermediate part 2 students. We will see subjective section only with reference to our novel Goodbye Mr. Chips. Actually, subjective section in total is for 80 marks. But Goodbye Mr. Chips covers only 16 marks out of these 80 marks. In subjective section, question number 4 is taken from Goodbye Mr. Chips. Here, the examiner asks you to write short answers to any 8 questions. These 8 questions are going to be from the novel. The examiner also directs you to limit your answers to 3 to 5 lines. In other words, we can guess that your answer is going to be 50 to 80 words. You can always write shorter than this, or you can always extend your answer a little bit. But keep in mind that your answer should be correct and concise because you have been given instructions. We have to limit our answer from 3 to 5 lines. Although you are asked to provide answers for only 8 questions, but actually you are given 12 questions in the exam. 4 questions are given you as a choice. Out of these 12 questions given in the exam, you are required to answer only 8 questions. You can leave 4 questions. Every question is for 2 marks. So if you attempt 8 questions multiplied by 2, you'll be getting 16 marks. I have given you an example here. What is most interesting incident of the novel? This question is for 2 marks. In the same way, questions will be enlisted in the paper and students will be asked to write their answers. In next lecture, we'll be starting the chapter. I hope to see you all in the next video lesson. Have a very nice time. Thank you.